Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making beef stew in a Greenpan Omni cooker. Okay, I'm starting out on my Greenpan Omni cooker. I have it set on saute and it's hot. It's at 400 degrees. I'm going to add some olive oil in here. We're going to brown up some beef for our beef stew. And I have a London broil here. I cut up into stew size chunks of beef. It's cheaper if you cut it yourself than buying a pre-cut. I'm going to get this in here and I'm going to start to brown this up. And as it browns, I'm going to season it with a little salt and pepper. Alright, now that my beef's about halfway browned up, I have one onion I diced. I'm going to get that in there and allow that to saute in there with the beef and start to soften up. Alright, now that my beef is brown and my onions are softened, I'm going to put in some flour. I'm going to go for about 1/4 cup of flour. And I'm going to allow this to fry for a few minutes to get that flour taste out of it. Right now this cooked for just a few minutes. I'm going to add in probably about 2.5 pounds of baby potatoes. I cut in half and quarters to try to keep them all about the same size. And I have a 12-ounce pack of frozen peas and carrots. I'm going to add that in. And I'm going to add in some beef broth. I'm starting out with 4 cups. It's a really easy beef stew for a weeknight. If you want to take the easier route and buy the pre-cubed beef, you can do that. And well, you're going to have to cut up some potatoes. There's no way of getting around that, but that's not too hard. I'm going to add in 4 more cups of beef broth. That's going to make a total of 8 cups. I'm going to give that a stir, get everything mixed together. And once this gets heated up, I'll taste it for seasoning, and if I need to add a little more salt and pepper in there, I will. I'm going to allow this to go up to a gentle boil and allow it to boil for about 15-20 minutes until it starts to thicken up and the vegetables cook. Right now that this cooked for about 20 minutes, in a little bowl I put about 1/4 cup of water and 2 packs of brown gravy mix. I'm going to use this to thicken this up, and it's going to add extra flavor to our beef stew. And this brown gravy mix, guys, if you get the store brand, you're talking pennies. I think this stuff is like 35 cents a pack. You can see how it's starting to thicken that up already, and it's going to add a really rich, delicious beefy flavor to it. So I'm going to stir this in. I'm going to allow this to simmer for a few more minutes to let them flavors blend together. Let this go for a few more minutes. You see it's nice and thickened up. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Start with the potato here. Potatoes are tender. They soaked up that good beef flavor. Try a piece of beef here. A little bit of gravy. Beef is tender. That stew has a good rich beef flavor, not overly salty, well seasoned. Guys, that's really easy. It was really delicious. Beef stew in a Greenpan Omni cooker. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.